There are many different kinds of people we will meet throughout our life. Some of these people may be scientists, engineers, artists, or even politicians. There are just way too many to list off. For me, I have met many different engineers that have all influenced me to study engineering into college. Though I wouldn't have been able to meet any of these engineers if it wasn't for the FIRST robotics competition. FIRST has been influencing me since the start of my high school career and continues today in college. Let's take a look to see what FIRST is. FIRST is an organization that was created in 1989 by Dean Kamen. FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. They've created many different programs, but I want to focus on FIRST Robotics Competition. The FIRST organization will release a challenge at the beginning of the year. We then have 6 weeks to build a robot based on their guidelines and criterias. We are free to build it on whatever the challenge is, but it must remain in those guidelines. We then, at the end of the 6 weeks, must stop building, and then we start to compete with our robots against other teams. This is just a brief background to see what FIRST Robotics is, and what to do and what it gave you, the audience, and some background to what it is. Now, this is my team jersey from when I was in it. Open Circuits Team 5271. The 5271 is important because it is the team number, the call sign, and also when we joined. So we are the 5,251st team to join the organization. Now, I had joined robotics when I was just a freshman in high school. My friend had come up to me and asked if I'd like to join the team, and I had no idea what I was getting into when I said yes, and how it would shape my life. Now, these are the different robots I had built throughout the years. The Rebound Rumble, Basketball, Ultimate Sense, Frisbee, the Aerial Assist, which is Yoga Ball Challenge, and the Recycle Rush, which is stacking totes on top of each other. Now, I had wanted to go into programming, but soon realized how hard programming actually is. But thanks to the various team options that the FIRST organization allows, I was able to switch teams. There are 4 base teams with each robotics team: programming, electronics, building, and marketing. Since programming wasn't for me, I decided to try electronics and loved it instantly. Now, robotics just allowed me to find a possible career path I could join, and gave me a better direction to what I want to be when I grow up. The program allows you to try new things and gives you time to explore different options. Now, robotics impacted me in various ways. One is it gave me direction to possibly be when I grow up. I had no idea what I wanted to do when I was in high school, and still have no idea really today what I want to do, but I have a clearer path to possible ideas of what I want to do. Robotics allowed me to get closer to these goals of what I want to be when I grow up and who I can be. Now, FIRST Robotics has been a part of my life for 4 years. I was very sad to leave when it was time for me to go, but now I've become a mentor in the team. You may be wondering how this affects you. In this speech, I brought up key ideas such as brief background of what FIRST is, then told you how it had changed my life and how it can change people's lives. I thank you for giving me the chance to talk about FIRST Robotics, and hope that you can one day experience the program as I have.